So now let us see this second one. Py is equal to 2 plus y plus 2y square minus y cube is given. Py is equal to 2 plus y plus 2y square minus y cube is given. So now let us find the value of this polynomial at 0, 1 and 2. So that means you have to replace the value of y by 0 first. P0 is equal to 2. This becomes 0, this becomes 0 and this becomes 0. So the value of this polynomial at 0 is 2. So now P1 at 1, what happens? 2 plus 1 plus what is square of 1? 1. 2 into 1, 2. And what is the cube of 1? 1 only. So minus 1. So plus 5 minus 1, 4. What is the value of at 2? 2. Y means 2 plus 2 into y square means 2 square minus y cube means 2 cube. Clear? 2 square means 4. 2 square means 4. 4 into 2, 8. 2 cube means 8. This and this cancels and your answer will be 4. I think you understood how to find the value of a polynomial when at 3 different values, when the value is given, value of that variable is given. I think you understood how to find the value of that polynomial. Now, this is your third sum. Verify whether the values of x given in each case are zeros of polynomials or not. Verify whether the values of x given in each case are zeros of polynomial or not. So what is the first polynomial? Px is equal to 2x plus 1. So here what value we need to take? Minus 1 by 2. So P minus 1 by 2 is equal to 2 into minus 1 by 2 plus 1. Clear? Plus 2 into minus 1 by 2 is equal to minus 1 plus 1. Minus 1 and plus 1 is what? 0. So this is what? 0 of a polynomial. Why? What is the reason? When we replaced the value of x here, this polynomial has become 0. When we replaced the value of x by 1 by 2, what happened? What did we see? We saw that the polynomial has become 0. So what do we say? We say that at x is equal to minus 1 by 2, the polynomial 2x plus 1 is equal to 0. Clear? So now let us see this. What? Two values are given, plus or minus 1. First of all, let us take plus 1. P plus 1 is equal to x square means what? 1 square plus 1 minus 1, 0. So at 1, the polynomial x square minus 1 becomes 0. So what we call? We call this plus 1 is the root. We can say the root of x square minus 1. Here also minus 1 by 2 is the root of this polynomial 2x plus 1. Now let us take minus 1. So minus 1 square is also plus 1. Minus 1 is equal to 0. So here the roots for this x square minus 1 are plus 1 and minus 1. See, when the degree is 1, you have only one root. When the degree, here the power exponent is 1, you got only one root. Here your exponent is 2, degree is 2, you got two roots, plus or minus 1. That means though you take the value of x plus 1, you get x square minus 1 is equal to 0. Though you take the value of x minus 1, you get the value of x square minus 1 is equal to 0. So here, when we have degree 2, you got two what? Roots. Now the third one, px is equal to ax plus b. Here what is the value of x we have to take? Minus b by a. A into minus b by a plus b. So here your a and a cancels. Minus b plus b, what? 0. So this is also, in each case, the values what are given for x are zeros of the polynomials. And here for this, the root is minus b by a. We got only one root. What is the reason? The reason is degree of this polynomial is 1. So now let us do this fifth sum, because you can do that fourth one. If 2 is a 0 of the polynomial, px is equal to 2x square minus 3x plus 7a, find the value of a. What is given? If 2 is a 0 of the polynomial, that means if you replace the value of x by 2, this polynomial would become 0. If you take the value of x is equal to 2, then this polynomial would become 0. In such case, you have to find the value of this a. Let us try. So now P2 is equal to 2 into 2 square minus 3 into 2 plus 7a. What is given? This is 0. So what happens? 2 square means 4. 4 to ja 8. Minus 3 to ja 6. Plus 7a is equal to 0. So 8 minus 6, 2. Plus 7a is equal to 0. Or what we do, let us transpose this 2 to other side. What happens? This side it is plus. If we change this to other side, it will become minus. So 7a is equal to minus 2. Now what we do, we take this 7 to other side. This side it is multiplying. If we take to other side, it will divide. So a is equal to minus 2 by 7. What is the value of a? A is equal to minus 2 by 7. Understood? So we got the value of a as minus 2 by 7. Now this is your sixth sum from that exercise 2.2. If 0 and 1 are the zeros of polynomial fx is equal to 2x cube minus 3x square plus ax plus b, find the values of a and b. What is given? 0 and 1 are the zeros of polynomial fx is equal to 2x cube plus minus 3x square plus ax plus b. Now what we need to do, we have to find the value of a and b. So first let us find the value of this at 0. That means we have to replace the value of x by 0. So 2x cube, 0 cube, 0. 3x square, this also becomes 0. Ax, this also becomes 0. Only b will be left. Only b will be left. Clear? So b is equal to how much? This is 0 value. So 0. So what is the value of b? 0 we got. So now let us take 1. Two into 1 cube minus 3 into 1 square plus a into 1 plus b is equal to 0. So 1 cube 1. So here you get 2. 1 square 1. Here you get 3 plus a plus b is equal to 0. So what is the value of 0 we got here? 0. Clear? Let us take 0 here. 2 minus 1 minus 1 plus a plus 0 is equal to 0. Let us take this minus 1 to other side. So a becomes plus 1 because here it is minus 1. If you take to other side, it will become 1. So what is the value of a? 1. What is the value of b? 0. So understood? So with this our chapter 2.2 is over. Again tomorrow I come up with a new lesson. Till then, bye bye and have a nice day, and thanks for watching my lesson. Okay, bye.